St. Stephen's Cathedral is one of Vienna's most iconic landmarks and a significant architectural and cultural symbol of the city. The original church on the site dates back to the early 12th century, but the cathedral's current structure was largely built between the 1147 and 1160. The building has undergone numerous renovations and extensions over the centuries, evolving through different architectural styles. St. Stephen's Cathedral is primarily designed in the Gothic style, noted for its soaring spires and intricate details. The cathedral features a distinctive combination of Romanesque and Gothic elements, showcasing a rich architectural heritage. The North Tower stands at approximately 136 meters, making it the taller of the cathedral's two towers. It has a distinctive octagonal shape and is capped with a pyramidal spire. Visitors can go to the top for panoramic views of the city. The cathedral's roof is adorned with colorful tiles arranged in a mosaic pattern, symbolizing the double-headed eagle of the Holy Roman Empire and the city of Vienna itself. The interior of St. Stephen's Cathedral is equally impressive, featuring beautiful stained glass windows, ornate altars, and religious artwork. Notable interior elements include the altarpiece of the Holy Trinity and the famous pulpit. St. Stephen's Cathedral serves as the central parish church of Vienna and the seat of the Archbishop of Vienna. It has been the site of many significant events in Austrian history, including royal weddings, funerals, and important religious ceremonies. The cathedral has witnessed numerous historical events, including the Siege of Vienna in 1529 and 1683, when it served as a rallying point for defenders against invading Ottoman forces. It has also experienced significant damage over the years, including during World War II, when it was heavily bombed. St. Stephen's Cathedral is a major tourist attraction in Vienna, drawing millions of visitors each year. It offers guided tours, allowing visitors to learn about its history and architecture. Music concerts and religious services are also held in the cathedral, enhancing its cultural significance. Beneath the cathedral lies a network of catacombs that house the remains of over 11,000 people, including members of the Habsburg family. The Column of Pest is a significant monument located in Vienna. It commemorates the victims of the Bubonic Plague, which ravaged Europe in the 17th century, particularly the devastating outbreak that struck Vienna in 1679. The Bubonic Plague, or the Black Death, had a severe impact on Vienna during the late 17th century. The 1679 outbreak resulted in the deaths of thousands of residents. In gratitude for an end to the plague, the city decided to erect a memorial to commemorate the victims and express thanks for divine intervention. The Column of Pest was designed by the architect Johann Bernhard Fischer von Erlach, a prominent Baroque architect, and was constructed between 1693 and 1694. The column is an excellent example of Baroque art and architecture, featuring intricate details and decorative elements. The column stands approximately 21 meters and is made of a stone pedestal topped with a statue of the Holy Trinity. The monument features several statues depicting saints and angels, including Saint Sebastian, Saint Roch, and Saint Charles Borromeo, all of whom are associated with the fight against the plague. Its ornate design includes flowing forms, elaborate decorations, and dynamic figures, all typical of the Baroque style that flourished during the time. The Column of Pest is situated in Graben, a famous street in Vienna that is known for its historic significance and lively atmosphere. The monument is prominently positioned in the middle of the street, making it a recognizable landmark for visitors. The Column of Pest serves not only as a memorial but also as a reflection of the collective memory of the inhabitants of Vienna. It symbolizes the resilience of the city and its inhabitants in the face of adversity, as well as the role of religion in providing comfort during times of crisis. The Column of Pest is an important work of art that showcases the skill of Baroque sculptors and architects of the era. It has influenced other monuments and is a testament to Vienna's rich artistic heritage. Graben is one of Vienna's most famous and historic streets, well known for its cultural significance, stunning architecture, and vibrant atmosphere. Graben, which means ditch in German, originally served as a defensive moat for the city during the Middle Ages. It was part of the fortifications that surrounded Vienna, particularly during the time when the city was threatened by invasions. The street evolved over the centuries and became a significant commercial and social hub. Graben features a mix of architectural styles, predominantly Baroque and historicist buildings. Many of the structures date from the 19th century and are characterized by elaborate facades, ornate decorations, and impressive entrances, contributing to the street's charm and aesthetic appeal. At the center of Graben stands the Column of Pest, a Baroque monument erected in the late 17th century to commemorate the victims of the Bubonic Plague. The column features intricate sculptures and is a striking focal point on the street. The street is lined with noteworthy buildings, various historic palaces and shops that showcase Vienna's architectural heritage. Graben is a popular shopping destination, featuring a variety of upscale boutiques, luxury brands, and traditional Viennese shops. It also offers numerous cafes and restaurants, allowing visitors to relax and enjoy the vibrant city atmosphere. Graben is located in the inner city, Vienna's historic center, making it easily accessible to locals and tourists alike. It connects to several other notable streets and squares in the area, including Kohlmarkt and Stephansplatz. The street is characterized by its lively atmosphere, as it is a central gathering place in Vienna. Residents and tourists alike stroll along Graben, enjoying its stunning scenery, rich history, and vibrant street life. Graben is not only a prominent historical street, but also a modern commercial area that encapsulates the essence of Vienna's cultural heritage and urban life. It is a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the city. During the holiday season, Graben Street in Vienna transforms into a breathtaking festive display, becoming a focal point for holiday decorations that enchant visitors and residents alike. Graben is famous for its stunning overhead light installations that create a magical canopy above the street. Twinkling lights in various designs, including stars and icicles, hang gracefully, casting a warm glow and enhancing the festive atmosphere. The shops lining Graben Street participate in the holiday cheer with elaborate window displays that showcase seasonal themes. These displays often feature winter wonderlands, festive scenes, and traditional Austrian holiday motifs that draw shoppers in. Walking along the Christmas streets in Vienna, particularly through iconic areas like Graben Street, is a delightful experience that captures the magic of the holiday season. As you step onto the streets, you are immediately immersed in a warm and inviting atmosphere. The air is filled with the scent of roasted chestnuts and mulled wine, creating a sensory delight that embodies the joy of the season. The streets are adorned with exquisite holiday decorations, including twinkling lights, vibrant wreaths, and elegant ornaments. Overhead, strings of lights create a canopy that flickers softly, illuminating the path as you walk through the enchanting scene. Be sure to pause at the various food stalls offering traditional treats. Savor a cup of warm glue wine, mulled wine, while nibbling on gingerbread cookies or stollen, a traditional fruit bread, as you meander through the crowds. The festive snacks add a tasty touch to your stroll. Listen for the sounds of Christmas carols and live music emanating from nearby performances. Local choirs, musicians, and sometimes even theatrical performances bring an added layer of holiday cheer, making for a joyful experience. As you walk, take in the breathtaking architecture of Vienna. The Christmas lights beautifully complement historical landmarks such as St. Stephen's Cathedral, the Pest Saal, and the nearby Hofburg Palace, creating picture-perfect moments at every turn. The streets are filled with both locals and visitors, enhancing the communal spirit of the season. If you're in the mood for shopping, the boutique shops along Graben are perfect for finding unique gifts and souvenirs. The holiday window displays are magical and invite you to linger and explore. Occasionally, you may choose to step into a cozy cafe or bakery for a moment of warmth. Enjoy a cup of Viennese coffee or hot chocolate as you soak in the holiday atmosphere, giving you a chance to rest and reflect on the experience. Walking on the Christmas streets of Vienna is more than just a stroll. It's an immersive experience filled with sights, sounds, flavors, and the spirit of togetherness that characterizes the holiday season. It's an occasion to create lasting memories in one of the most beautifully decorated cities in the world.